The Collins English Dictionary defines affirmation as a declaration of the truth or validity of something, an assertion. Affirmations serve as a vital component in fostering positive thinking. They differ from mere wishes. Instead, they represent beliefs held to be true. Affirmations consist of optimistic statements that depict a desired state in one's life. While this state may not currently exist, affirmations are articulated as if it is already a reality. For instance, a simple affirmation like, "I am at peace with my life," is repeated daily, either aloud or mentally. The objective is to influence the subconscious mind to manifest the desired outcome. It is essential for affirmations to be sincerely felt and expressed in the present tense, with unwavering conviction and enthusiasm. Every day, whether consciously or not, we engage in mental programming. The key is to bring this programming into our awareness and ensure it is positive. Otherwise, we risk unknowingly subjecting ourselves to negative affirmations. For instance, if you've ever made a mistake and thought, "I am such an idiot," you've inadvertently given yourself a negative affirmation. The danger lies in the fact that any negative affirmation we utter seeps into our subconscious and shapes our reality. The concept of positive thinking gained popularity in 1937 with the publication of Napoleon Hill's influential book, Think and Grow Rich. While this book remains relevant today, numerous similar guides have emerged over the years, all focusing on the power of positive thinking for personal success. Many of these books, including Think and Grow Rich, primarily emphasize the financial rewards that come from altering one's thoughts. This emphasis is understandable as it resonates with the widespread desire for wealth. However, while this approach may capture public interest, it can also mislead skeptics and newcomers. Some may purchase these books expecting groundbreaking revelations, only to find that the main message is simply to start thinking positively. The solution may seem straightforward, but it's not always easy to implement. Reprogramming a mind that has been bombarded with negative thoughts and affirmations for years can be a challenging task. Despite the abundance of books like Think and Grow Rich, positive thinking extends far beyond mere attempts to attain wealth. In reality, those most likely to benefit financially from such literature are the authors themselves. This can leave the rest of us feeling somewhat deceived and disillusioned with the entire concept. However, it's unfortunate because positive thinking holds the potential to profoundly transform our lives, and affirmations serve as the foundation for initiating and sustaining this transformative journey. Positive affirmations are crafted with the intention of achieving certain goals, whether that's attaining wealth, acquiring material possessions like a car or house, securing a better job, achieving success, or experiencing personal fulfillment such as love, health, happiness, or peace. It's only natural to harbor such desires. In fact, it would be unusual if we didn't. However, these desired outcomes can often feel distant and unattainable, leading us to doubt whether they're truly within our reach. Instead of focusing on the possibility of achieving them, we tend to dwell on our perceived distance from these goals, and negative thoughts become ingrained in our mindset. For example, if we desire wealth, we might think, "I'll never be rich." If we seek a promotion, we might think, "Someone else is bound to get it." If we long for love, we might think, "No one will ever love me." Despite our desires, we approach them from a negative standpoint. Given this perspective, it's clear why it's beneficial to shift our mindset and start embracing positivity. It's not an entirely new practice. After all, we're already engaging in self-talk, so why not make it positive? It requires minimal effort to speak positively to ourselves, and wouldn't it be refreshing to adopt a more positive outlook for a change? You've likely heard the saying, "Be careful what you wish for, you may just get it," at some point. At first glance, it might seem peculiar, as who would consciously wish for negative outcomes? However, many of us inadvertently entertain negative thoughts on a daily basis. Consider the examples mentioned earlier. how easily positive desires can be expressed in a negative manner. For instance, let's say you aspire to a promotion. Instead of affirming to yourself, "The promotion is mine," you might find yourself thinking, "It's bound to go to someone else." This could be a way of guarding yourself against potential disappointment, but in reality, it's a form of negative affirmation. Your subconscious mind receives this message that you won't get the promotion, and it interprets it as a directive. While you may believe that your subconscious has no influence over your boss's decision, your negative attitude can be quite evident. Your boss may observe your lack of positivity and hesitate to promote you because they perceive you as someone who isn't ideally suited for a position of increased responsibility. Failing to secure the promotion can often be attributed to the prevailing belief that you won't succeed, which your boss may have sensed as a negative attribute. While you may not have actively wished for failure, your dominant thought pattern contributed to its realization. The saying about being careful what you wish for is more accurately about being mindful of the thoughts that occupy your mind most frequently. Essentially, it warns, be cautious of what you dwell on, it may materialize. The outcomes you experience in life are directly influenced by the thoughts dominating your mind and the affirmations you repeatedly tell yourself. As you embark on the journey of practicing positive affirmations and witness their effectiveness, you demonstrate your ability to influence a part of yourself that many struggle to access. Your subconscious mind can be likened to a computer's registry, a repository of configuration settings and options. While some are aware of its existence and purpose, few possess the knowledge to navigate it and make adjustments due to its complexity. It's crucial to realize that adjusting your subconscious mind is achievable, and positive affirmations serve as the means to accomplish this task. They enable you to purge redundant and detrimental data stored in your subconscious, shedding light on the reasons behind your behaviors in various situations. Similar to a computer with a cluttered or corrupted registry experiencing sluggishness, your subconscious may exhibit irregularities when burdened with negative programming. Even after removing negative thought patterns, remnants may linger, akin to residual data in a computer registry. Through positive affirmations, the goal is to reprogram your subconscious and eliminate any lingering negative imprints from previous thought patterns. Engaging in positive affirmations fosters a deeper understanding of your subconscious functioning and sheds light on potential triggers for undesirable responses. By consistently programming your mind with positive inputs, you become more adept at identifying and eradicating negative tendencies. Additionally, you become attuned to the subtle cues and insights offered by your subconscious, facilitating solutions to challenging situations in life.